Slate flooring. Pros and cons you should know before installing. Dear friends, slate flooring is a type of natural stone flooring made from metamorphic rock that forms when shale and clay are subjected to intense heat and pressure over time. It is known for its unique texture, rich earthy colors, like gray, black, green, and rust, and natural cleft surface, giving it a rustic and elegant appearance. Slate tiles are commonly used in kitchens, bathrooms, hallways, and outdoor areas due to their strength and slip resistance. Advantages of slate flooring. 1. Durability. Slate is one of the most durable natural stones, resistant to cracks, scratches, and chips, making it ideal for high-traffic areas. 2. Natural beauty. Each slate tile has a unique pattern and color variation, offering a timeless, elegant look that enhances interior and exterior spaces. 3. Slip resistance. The natural textured surface provides excellent grip, reducing the risk of slips and falls, especially useful in wet areas like bathrooms or patios. 4. Water and fire resistant. Slate is naturally resistant to water and fire, making it a safe and long-lasting flooring choice. 5. Low maintenance. Once properly sealed, slate is relatively easy to clean and maintain with simple sweeping and occasional mopping. Disadvantages of slate flooring. 1. High cost. Slate can be expensive both in material and installation costs compared to ceramic or vinyl flooring. 2. Cold and hard surface. The stone stays cool, which may feel uncomfortable underfoot in colder climates, and its hardness can be tough on feet or dropped items. 3. Requires sealing. To prevent stains and moisture absorption, slate needs to be sealed regularly, increasing maintenance effort. 4. Uneven surface. The natural cleft texture can be uneven, which may not be ideal for areas requiring smooth flooring. 5. Heavy weight. Slate is a dense material, so installation requires a strong subfloor and professional handling. In summary, slate flooring combines beauty, strength, and natural appeal, making it a premium choice for homes and outdoor spaces. However, it demands a higher initial investment and proper maintenance to preserve its look and longevity. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.